Subscribe to see more videos from my end and click on that bell to get live notification. Hi guys! Wow, after such a long time, welcome to another day of vlogging. And this is Dimple Chooza, as you all know me. And she is my friend, okay? And her name is Sunita. So we met up in a social media app which is called Ola Party Live, known as Quick Live. Quick Live. So we have become like very good friends. And where's the little one? Muskan. That's Muskan. Hi. So yeah, Diwali vlog I thought to do. The hashtag is going to be COVID Diwali, boring Diwali. ठीक है? बहुत बोरिंग दिवाली होने वाला है बिकॉज कोई नहीं है, कुछ कर नहीं सकते, दूर से दिवाली विश कर रहे हैं, मास्क पहनो, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. चलो नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टू गेट सम स्टफ. ओके, आई वांटेड टू पिक अप सम स्टफ, शॉपिंग. आई लव शॉपिंग, यू ऑल नो आई लव शॉपिंग. आई गो गागा फॉर शॉपिंग. सो लोकल शॉपिंग लेके जाएंगे चेन्नई में, तमिलनाडु चेन्नई में लोकल शॉपिंग. इट्स गोइंग टू बी बेस्ट टू सी. सो वी आर गोइंग टू पुरस्वाकम, where it's a market area where you will get to see all local stuff. So मज़ा आएगा bargaining में भी. चलो चलते हैं वहाँ पे. Let's go. So we are heading to Puswakam. Let's see what we get. I want to pick up some saris. I want to pick up some jewelry, and let's see. And it's all local. So let's see this local, how we make it stylish and trending. ठीक है? So that is more important. तो दो चीज़ें होते हैं, एक तो लोकल होता है जो हम स्टाइलिश और ट्रेंडिंग बना सकते हैं, और जो ब्रांडेड होते हैं जिसको हम स्टाइलिश और ट्रेंडिंग बना सकते हैं. दोनों होगा. तो वैसे भी मैं आउटफिट फॉर दिवाली इज़ वेरी स्टाइलिश. ठीक है, लेट्स सी हाउ दैट इज़ गोइंग टू गो. इट्स लाइक अ धोती कम वन पीस विद अ वेरी सेक्सी बैक. Explanation of it is amazing, but yeah, you understood what I'm trying to say. So let's head. Guys, we have come to this jewelry store and I've liked this piece. So ये गले की बहुत simple है ये, but I don't know for what I'm going to wear it. Not thought yet. कैसे लग रहा है?
प्यारा लग रहा है.
Even she liked it.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, प्यारा लग
So this is the place in Puruswakam I've come. And I've liked this piece, so I'm planning to pick this up. नहीं, हमको कुछ और अच्छा ही नहीं लगा. We didn't like anything else right now. அண்ணா இது காட்டுங்கள செகண்ட் கீழே செகண்டு அண்ட் ரெண்டாவது. हाँ, ये पहन के देख सकते हैं. ये वाला कि ये वाला?
ये
இது காட்டுங்கள, போட்டு பார்க்கணும். Guys, just look at this. ये मेरा फोटो ले रही है कि किसका फोटो ले रही है? Are you
नहीं ले रही है.
Oh God!
ये बहुत लेती है, जब भी खड़े रहो
See?
कुछ भी ले ले.
How is it?
Nice.
Nice. Look at her. She's taking my photos out over here. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes ज़रूर दिखाना. ठीक है? She's going to take out behind the scenes. So this is I liked it actually. मुझे अच्छा लगा. मुझे ना antique pieces और ये सब चीज़ें काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. Like different, something different. And I'm a little weird. I keep mixing, matching and wearing new things. इसको पता है. I'm so fond of all this. So
मैचिंग करना अच्छा लगता है, क्या इसको मैचिंग करना अच्छा लगता है, कोई भी चीज को क्लियर तरीके को अच्छे से मैच कर लेती है.
Okay, so chalo, I am picking up this also. I think enough. I want to go in front and see more things. We have to finish fire. But even they have to take something. So let's go. Jaldi jaldi. Taking this also and taking that piece which I showed you. Wow, beautiful. मुझे अच्छा लगा. अच्छा लग रहा है. Guys, I like this piece. I'm going to try the nose pin. Let me see how it's working out. These guys are saying everything looks good.
Yeah, everything is good.
ये अच्छा लग रहा है.
Try करो.
This I think will go. Let me try this and show you. So I came to this Prince Gold covering. You should come over here. It's in Puswarkam.
Second one our brother number. First one the number.
Yes, and this is the number if you want to cover. They even give jewelry for sale. Okay, and if you want to use for a day, they give it for rent also. Prince Gold covering. Okay. So do go. Moti is the name. Okay. And even finally she picked up
Yeah, I
something.
pick up one jhumka.
So we all have picked up something or another. So it's a nice store. You get unique stuff over here, and I like a little, that little Tamil touch. No, I'm from Chennai, na. Kunja.
Tamil touch वाला.
Where no? Chalo, ठीक है. So we are heading now to my mom's store. I have to give something to my mom, and then from there let's see what we're gonna do. I didn't get bindi over here. I got Mata Rani bindi, round color, Radhe Mart style. So I picked up that. They were not letting me to try it. So I told my friend I want to try it. They said no, 30 rupees bindi. I said I want to try it. I'm buying it. Chalo, let me try. I will try now.
Try.
So that was very weird. So okay, let's head and I will show you more things. Guys, I think I've gone crazy. Amazing set है रजवाड़ा स्टाइल. नहीं लेने वाले थे, पता नहीं ले लिया. Finally ले लिया. Awesome discount and awesome range out of here. So I want you guys to come to Sydney Gold Covering, which is in Puswarkam. If you guys in Chennai, you will get amazing stuff out over here. So Anna, khareedna. I will show you the card also. Wait. So this is the store name, Sydney Gold Covering. The number is given, so you can ask thing. And yes, jewelry for rent also is available. अगर शादी कर रहे हो और एक ही दिन पहनना है कुछ, आप पहन सकते हो and you can give it back. I think you'll get good range out over here. So I picked this up. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैंने गोल्ड में लिया था, मैंने कहा मैं सिल्वर में भी लेती हूँ. And the best part is this is fitting my neck superbly. सुनो. Oh hello madam.
Yeah.
बताओ कैसा लग रहा है?
It's looking awesome. And
Awesome.
you're looking gorgeous. Rani.
बस रानी लग रही हूँ तो आज रानी बन के जाना है. ये 90% मास्क में है तो शक्ल ही नहीं दिखेगा.
निकालना बाहर.
I look like queen. So they are appreciating this thing. I look like a queen. So आना यहाँ पे. इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा डिस्काउंट दिया. So do come. So this is a store. And they have amazing ranges. ऐसे फोटोशूट्स में कर चुकी हूँ. I've done modeling like this. हाँ, only for jewelry. ज़्यादा खजाना ज्वेलर्स, Sarana stores, Joy Lucas. So that I've done. So yeah, they have good range out over here. The stupid auto fellow. We told him 300 for only Puswarkam. Okay, shopping. Bloody is asking 400 now.
Wait.
This is the stage out in Tamil Nadu. They don't put meters. Please, if any government office is seeing, na, please make the meters on. Otherwise, take charges from the auto people. Anna? Anna? Plus, for auto parking out of here, we had to pay 20 rupees. So stupid, I'm telling you. And see, this meter is not on. I always complain about the meter in Chennai city. But this doesn't happen in Mumbai. I am being a Chennai girl, I'll say that now. right?
Yeah,
Meter?
of course. Meter on नहीं है. Without meter they are going.
Useless. And I have given a good range. I said for 200. He said 3. Now he is charging more. For no rhyme, no reason. After telling him so much. So much kit. Seriously, so irritating these people are. So now I'm heading to my mom's store. Okay. I just need to give one parcel to my mom. It's my daughter's dress and my mom's blouse for Diwali. And tomorrow's Diwali. By the way, happy Dhanteras to everybody. I didn't wish.
Happy Dhanteras and happy Dhanteras.
Finally, you get to see her face.
Happy Dhanteras to everyone.
Yeah. So yeah, we're heading and let's see. I'm already late. Today I'm supposed to do my show. Okay. And my 7-8 hours is going to go in the show itself. I have to go home and get ready. Seriously. Let's see what happens. Guys, I have come to my mom's store. And my friend is with me and she has picked up this.
That's not.
Let me show you.
No.
Yeah, this is Miara and she always watches Mama's YouTube videos. Say hi. Yeah. So this is Diwali vlog going on. Let me show you this what she has picked up. She wanted to wear, her daughter wanted to wear a pink. Which color sari was it? Pink, green and cream mix. So she's picked up this. I'll just show you how it looks. So yeah, that is what she has picked up from my mom's store. Okay, if you guys want to come over here, it's called Stop and Stare, which is located in Pushparkam. Okay, so you will get all these fancy stuffs out over here. So this is what she's going to wear in sari. It's a crop top, but it look very nice with the sari. What she has picked up. So then, dikhao. Yeah. So it's going to look very nice. So we have come to pick up bindis out over here. These bade lambe bindis. This store is in Waikiki complex. This uncle I know him very well.
अंकल मैंगो पूरा दिखा दो अभी देख
शक्ल देख लो अंकल के. ठीक है.
अंकल बतला दिया
हाँ. And so we are seeing what to pick up. बिंदीज लेने के लिए आए हैं. And I'm picking up this one. I love this. ஆமா. ஹாய் சொல்லுங்க. ஹாய் சொல்லுங்க. வெரி குட். சரி அக்கா ஒன்று பிளேன் வேணும் சரியா और ஒன்று மசாலா எனக்கு நல்லா ஸ்பைசி போட்டு. ये भी वो बचपन से जानती हो. நீங்கள் ஃபேமஸ் ஆயிட்டீங்க யூடியூப்ல வரோம். ஆமாம் தமிழ் செல்வி நாம் தமிழ் செல்வியே. ஓகே சரி அக்கா ஒரு பிளேனா கொடுங்க ஒரு மசாலா போட்டு கொடுங்க. So we are at Waikiki complex and please come to her thela to eat this. Okay, because very yummy. I'm eating from childhood. Dimple D'Souza यहाँ पे childhood से peanuts खाती है. इन्ना அது வேண்டாம் அக்கா ஒன்று சாதா செய்யுங்க ஒன்று மசாலா போட்டு செய்யுங்க. मुझे अवलोदा पोला. मैंने ना ऑटो वाला नहीं लिया मैंने वॉचमैन ले लिया. हमारे पीछे पड़ा है मेरा मत्था मारा गया था मैं क्यों इसको लेकर आई पता नहीं. दिमाग का दही कर दिया इससे. चलो हम पहले लेते हैं फिर. देखो रेडी हो गया है बन गया है और डालने वाली है ये इसके अंदर. यम्मे क्या
डिम्पल को स्ट्रीट फूड बहुत पसंद है.
यम्मी नॉट द वर्ड. बनाओ बस अभी ये खाना है. थैंक्स अक्का. देखो स्पाइसी चाहिए. Yummy. 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 So good. Smells so well. ये तो खाएगी नहीं अनियन.
मैं खाऊंगी, मेरा जेन खाऊंगी मेरा।
हाँ, इसका भी आ गया. अब ये ट्राई करेगी. ऐसे आओ, इसमें लाइट्स अच्छे आ रहे हैं. खा के बताओ कैसा है.
सूपर था।
चलो खा के फिर आते हैं. Hi guys, welcome to another day of vlogging. So this was the second day of Diwali and today is actually Diwali. So first thing, wishing everybody out there a very happy Diwali. So I have not started with my makeup yet and this is my outfit. I'll show you in some time how it is. So we have gotten some sweets from Ganga Sweets. Okay, I'll just show it to you all how it is. So there are two kind of sweets and this is online. So sometimes it happens, right, when you can't go anywhere. Where is the best place where you can get sweets? Sorry, my phone is like yeah. So let me show you all the sweets which I had got. This is Ganga Sweets, pure ghee sweets it is. Okay, and this is the address where you can get it from. So basically this is the Bengali sweet, milk and Bengali sweets, which is really yummy. And this is the mixed one. I've done a detailing on it of 11 sweet on this app called Rizzle. I will leave the link down so you guys can have a look at it. And this is a small box, so this is I'm just distributing to people. This is the second one, the tiny one. So if you are in a hurry and you don't have time, you can just get these sweets online. You don't have to rush outside, especially when it's COVID. It's better to do that, to get the things online. And yeah, it's really yummy. So I'll keep updating today, Diwali. I'll show you around what's happening, small things. And yeah, mom's parcel is also ready. I will give a sneak peek on the parcel also, what I'm taking and going. हम लोग में बोलते हैं ना toll देना, तो basically toll देते हैं. I have not done my makeup. I'll be doing my makeup, and this is the neck piece which I picked up. You remember from where? And this is my outfit. It's a Patiala outfit. I'll give a detailing on it. Let me just twist the camera to show it to you. So basically, it's a very simple outfit, but it gives a Patiala look. You see that? It's a Patiala look. I'm still getting ready. And that's the back. So yeah, but I'm just gonna do my makeup and we're ready, ready to go. I'll keep updating you guys. Diwali is not going to be much exciting. It's like more of family time, and we are not meeting relatives also because of COVID. So I'll keep taking you guys along with me. So guys, this is my makeup look. Stuff going to my mom's place. I'm just gonna pack this. This is the food items for Diwali which we normally give, their favorite stuff. Hi guys, so we are heading right now to my mom's store for the puja, and my husband is over here. Oof, the Apple, oof, the recruiter for multiple apps, oof, working for Apple head. So, Mr. Apple, say hi.
Hello, happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali to everybody out of here. First time you're hearing his voice talking something. He's got that confidence now on talking on YouTube channel after knowing that even he's becoming popular day by day. So right now we are just reaching. We have almost reached the store. Okay, and I'm going to show you the glimpse of the puja. Chalo guys, catch you in a while. Mia, say everybody happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
So finally, after very long, you're seeing Miara in my vlog. And she's grown big. And she's a gamer. She loves playing game. Mia, what games you play?
All these games.
Tell your favorite games. Booba,
Krishna game is my favorite. Krishna is most stronger.
Run Race.
Krishna.
She even plays PUBG. And what is that game you play? Monster one, Teacher one,
Sky Teacher.
Scary Teacher.
I'll show you.
Oh, she's showing.
Sky Teacher 3D. Over here, Sky Teacher. I have to learn Papa's teacher in 4 days.
My God. She's a gamer. She loves games. You love games? You'll be a gamer?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to say anything to everybody over here?
No. I want to be Clive Watch My Bollywood vlog. I know I like to be in YouTube lab.
You like to be in YouTube?
Yeah.
You want to have your own YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I want to know what to say.
You do not know what to say? Okay, say everybody, I love you. Say everybody, I love you.
Look, I'm telling you something.
Okay. Say everybody, I love you.
I love you.